Hello YouTube, this is XX XX1 here. I'm making a video on how to make money online 2019. So there's this website I've been on for quite some time now. It's called Points2Shop, and the link will be in the description for this website. Basically what you do is you take short surveys, you earn points or cash or online money, at which you then can put into your PayPal account or use it for Visa gift cards, or even get a check mailed to you if you wanted to bad enough. So some people have actually earned PlayStations from this too. This person right here. And it's free to sign up. You don't need a credit card or anything weird like that. It's just free to sign up. You earn the money by doing the short surveys, and then you get you get the rewards. You could get Amazon products, Visa gift cards, PayPal money, GameStop gift cards, whatever you want. Okay, I'll log in and show you guys what this is all about. Thanks. Alright guys, I'm back. I logged in, and as you can see on this website, I've earned a virtual Visa gift card for $5. That's just one of the things. I've earned some other things too, but and in total I've earned over $400 on this website. So, and there are contests too, like I earned $30 in one, which is the grand prize in one other contest. Where you basically get these merits for doing offers and stuff, like the surveys, and then you basically could stack those up and then try to compete with other people on this website. It's kind of hard, but it is great when you win. I got the grand prize one time, which is $30 in cash. And as you can see right here, currently right now on this website I have 104. Now this number is like in total, but this one is what I have currently right now in cash, 104.66 dollars. So I could have a check sent to my house for that, or I could put it in my PayPal, or I could get another Visa gift card. But I'm going to show you surveys you could do to get, first of all, well, PayPal money or whatever you want. So these are the surveys. As you can see, they're very short. That's the time right there. That's 4 minutes, 4 minutes. Some of them are longer, but the longer ones are usually good too. And then they pay pretty decent, pretty good actually. And to get PayPal, you need to have at least, currently you need to have at least $1.10 to cash out with PayPal, like send it to your PayPal account. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the most part. I'm not actually going to do a survey because then, like you guys don't want to see that. You want to see like how do you make money online. You don't want to see like, and then plus I'll have to give some private information out, which I don't want to do. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'll go back to my profile page, and yeah, thank you. Subscribe if you want, like, comment, leave a comment if you need help. There's also this shout box on the Points2Shop. In case you need help, you could either talk to these people with a type chat, or talk to me in the comment section of YouTube. Alright, XX Nether XX1 out. Bye.